Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I just got back a little while ago from dropping off my kids at school, and now I am just having me a cup of coffee, or I'm making me a cup of coffee I should say. So that is what's going on, and my little one is still asleep. When we got back, when I put him in the car to take my kids to school, he knocked out, and then when I was ready to get him out of the car, he was completely drooling all over his jacket, and then I got him out and I put him in my bed and he went back to bed. So I'm gonna, will you hear that? My refrigerator is loud. I'm gonna go and try to catch up on some more videos. Some of you, more of your guys' videos. So I'm trying to watch and comment and trying to get it going, you know. And then also I still got some footage that I also need to edit, I think. But yeah, it's been super busy, you guys. I know after our vacation I just started recording and I didn't tell you guys what was going on. It's just I was doing a video, well, I was halfway doing a video of where we have been, what has been going on, kind of like a life update. I was doing that, but then I felt like I was talking so much, and then I felt like, who's gonna want to watch somebody just blah 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 blah? So I just decided to skip on giving you guys an update, and I just started vlogging, and I uploaded those videos. And so yeah, so I know like I said, I didn't give you guys a live update just because, like, for that reason, because I didn't want to feel like I didn't want to feel like I was talking too much, because I felt like I was just talking so much, and like, I don't know. But yeah, I decided not to do that, like I said, and just start vlogging. So that's what I'm doing. But a lot has gone on, and I'll probably do that on another video. I'll give you guys just a little quick update on what has been going on after we got back from our family vacation. And yeah, it's just a lot. Nothing bad, of course, you know. So yeah, I'm making my cup of coffee. It is freaking cold here in California. It started raining yesterday. It is just cold, and the weather just makes you feel like you don't want to do nothing. You just want to just stay in bed in the covers and not even get out. All right guys, so it is cold. It is already 10:39. I'm barely gonna start making some breakfast for my little one, just because, like, he doesn't eat breakfast right away when he wakes up. He normally waits between like 10 and 11. That's when he'll have breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and make him some breakfast, and yeah, then I'll make me some. Well, I'm not hungry right now, but I just did finish my coffee, and so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and make him some breakfast. Kind of, I guess, yeah, still consider breakfast. He requested a quesadilla, so I'm gonna make him some. I'm gonna make him a quesadilla for breakfast. I know, quesadilla is not breakfast food, but it's what he wants. And when you have a picky eater, and your picky eater requests something, and it's better than nothing. So yeah, right here I have some mozzarella cheese, and then I have some flour tortillas, these big ones, but I don't make them this whole one. I cut one in half. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you guys along. Excuse my kitchen, because it is a hot mess right now. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is let me turn on this. I'm gonna turn on this light. So I'm not gonna put it on the plastic. So here's what I do is I like to just fold it in half. Now you can make quesadillas a lot of different ways. There's a lot of different ways that you can, I'm gonna cut it in half because folding is not gonna work. I normally fold it and it works, but it's not working. So there's a lot of different ways you can make quesadilla. This is just like the simple way, man, I can't even speak. It must be the coffee. The basic way, the basic quesadilla, I should say, is just flour tortilla and queso. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up on the pan. Right here I already have heating. There's a lot of ways you can make quesadillas delicious. This is just a kid-friendly way, but I like to add bell peppers and a lot of different stuff to my quesadilla. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna make for him because that's what he requested. Also, I need to put some beans to cook. And you see, I just warm it up enough, just enough to like warm it up. You can't really see it, but it's warmed up enough. Now I'm gonna bring down the temperature of this because I don't want it to burn. I'm gonna add the queso. I'm gonna add the rest of the queso because it's a little. It looks like a lot, but it's not. Let me throw this away. So yeah, you guys, right now, like I was saying, there's just so much going on right now. It's crazy, house-wise. So there you guys have it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but then I like to smash it down and just set it on the pan.
triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. What's getting harder to ignore? Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night. Yeah, I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me. Oh, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Alright, you guys, so I've been wanting to share this with you guys. I don't know if you guys remember, maybe three vlogs back, I showed you guys that we bought some new flooring for our dining room. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you because it's already been installed. So I want to show you guys how it looks. So yeah, mind also, we have not painted the walls yet. We were supposed to paint it before we got the flooring in, but like I said, there was so much going on and it didn't get done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks. So this is the way it looks. This is the flooring that we decided to go with. We got mail. Thank you. So yeah, so this is the way it looks. It got installed maybe a couple of weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks already. It's been installed. We still have to paint the walls. I think we're gonna, I don't know when we're gonna be doing that. Maybe sometime next week.
Red.
No!
Yeah.
I'm not gonna paint my wall red. Are you cray?
Red right there.
My goodness, Jay.
Let's show them
So yeah, I'm gonna be painting the walls.
show them.
So I'm gonna be painting.
Let's show them this work.
Hold on. So yeah, I'm gonna be painting the walls sometimes soon. I don't know. So yeah, so the walls are gonna be getting painted. So yeah, because I'm not liking the color of them right now, and it doesn't go with the floor. So yeah, and I need to get some new curtains. Show me your gun. He wants to. Jay, you freaked me out, boy. He got some new gun. Whoa. So yeah, that is what's going on. So that's what I've been wanting to share with you guys. Just the flooring. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and make me something to eat, and then I'm gonna continue to clean. It is already, let's see, it It is already 11:56. I'm gonna make me something to eat and continue cleaning. I still got a lot more to do. I don't know if I'll be done by the time the kids come out, because I also have to get my workout in, but we'll see how it goes. If I don't get to get my workout in before I pick up the kids, I'll do it after I pick them up. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now.
I don't think I've told you guys, but I've already picked up my kids from school earlier. Stopped by Little Caesars.
Pizza.
Yeah, I stopped by Little Caesars, got them some pizza because it is Friday, and
Daddy's birthday's gonna pass.
yeah, and Daddy's birthday's tomorrow, so my husband's birthday tomorrow, and
Mommy's
what else?
eating food.
Damn, you chimocho over here telling my whole business, Jay. You telling my business?
My business.
Mind your business.
Mind your business.
But yeah, everything he said. So, what was that? Yeah, so it turns out that my husband's gonna be coming home a little bit later than usual. He had a busy day today, so yeah. And then, as you guys can tell, the kids had sat down and ate, and I started, and as you guys just seen, I just did my workout and I finished. So now I'm having a protein drink, and I just have 3 boiled eggs with some tapatio, which is delicious. It's really good. I haven't really ate much today, but I'm still making me something else for dinner. This is just kind of like a post workout snack, because like I said, I haven't had lunch either. I just wasn't hungry, and then plus when I get so busy, I get so caught up that I forget to eat sometimes, which is not good. But I always grab something to eat, because especially if I'm working out, I cannot just not eat. Even when I'm not hungry, I still eat. I'll grab me something to eat, but you know, something healthy. So I'll show you guys what I'll be having for dinner. It should be done in a little while. So and it's already 5:46. I still feel hungry. I'm down on my 2 eggs. And what else? Yeah, that's all that's going on. nothing else exciting is going on. So yeah, my little one is over here.
And I'm watching tablet.
And what else, baby?
Show them I have this.
I know, come show them what you got. Show the peeps. Show the people what you got. He had got this maybe about a week or two ago. Where did you get it from? So in case they want to get it for their kids.
Toy Store.
Where is the toy store? What is it called?
It's from when I were playing.
Target. Tell them, say it loud so they can hear you. Okay?
Target.
He got it from Target. He really wanted it, so here you go, baby. He likes playing with it. He knows his colors and all that when I ask him, so.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, that's so cool. Have you guys ever just ate something and it tasted so good and then you just kind of like, yo. You're dance? You're happy, dance? You're happy the food is good, dance? Yeah. So, before this vlog, I'm gonna put in a couple of other clips. I think it was, I'm not sure from what days it was, if it was Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, or just Tuesday and Wednesday. But I'll put them before this. I'll go ahead and put them in before this vlog, and then I'll let you guys know on the bottom of the screen what day it is, so you guys know. I'm gonna just go ahead and put those just to show you guys that I have been trying to vlog, and then I just get caught up and then I don't finish vlogging. So, but I'm gonna make sure I finish vlogging today's video, even if it's just I really didn't do nothing exciting and the sun is going down. I haven't really, I mean, on days that the kids go to school, there's not really much to do, but oh yeah?
Yeah.
So
I want werewolves.
you want werewolf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
You want it with that? It's good. Bite it. Watch it, don't drop it.
What's on it?
Eat it. That's the werewolf part.
Oh.
It's not, it was good. Taste it. You like it. Show the people you like it. You're dropping it.
And what about like a sandwich?
It is like a sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Talk to you guys a little bit later. I don't know. We'll see. All right, you guys. So here is my dinner. There's romaine lettuce, the ground beef hamburger patty, and then basically it's just a hamburger, but I call it a hamburger salad. And then it has tomatoes, it has diced pickles, mustard, and some sour cream. And over here some sweet potato fries and some sugar-free yum yum sauce, which is delicious. Let me give you guys a better view of my food. So there you guys have it. There is a better view. It is delicious. Now don't mind the little burn marks. I actually like it like that. It gives it a crunch, and then it gives it like a different flavor. So it's really good though. Really, really good. Actually, I just invented this yesterday because, you know, trying to use up what we have in the refrigerator before I go grocery shopping next week. You guys, this is so good. I can recommend you guys try this. It's delicious. I know I just showed you guys that a little while ago, about 30 minutes ago, I had 3 boiled eggs and my protein drink. But mind you, I had breakfast and a coffee early in the morning. I had my coffee like around, when I got back from leaving my kids at school, which was probably like almost around 9:30. And then I ate like around, I had my breakfast like around, because I wasn't hungry, I had it around, I was like around lunchtime. And then I have finished my workout, and of course I had to have a protein drink because I was, you know, after I work out, you tend to feel a little bit hungry because, you know, you're burning those calories and you moved your body. So I had a protein drink and 3 boiled eggs with some tapatio, which is delicious. And then before it gets, and then I know myself already, I'm gonna get hungry later because that's what I had with the 3 eggs and the protein drink. That's just gonna hold me for a little while, but I know I'm gonna get hungry again because I already know my body. You gotta know your body. And so I'm gonna go ahead and have this because I still do feel a little bit hungry because, like I said, all I had was my breakfast, which wasn't much, which was my protein pancakes, which was just 2 with some almond butter and some cinnamon and a coffee, but I had that spaced out. And then yeah, I haven't had nothing all day today. And then when I got back, when I talked to you guys, I believe it was around 4, almost 5, when I had my protein drink and my eggs, my post-workout, I guess you could say, snack. Now I'm having my dinner, which is really good. It's really, really good. And then I'm gonna dip it into the sauce. Oh. So good. So yeah, and it is 6:15. So after I'm done doing this, I need to go start making dinner for my husband because he'll be coming out of work a little bit after 7. I want to have food ready. Actually, all I have to do is rice because I had boiled eggs the day before yesterday and they need to get eaten before they go bad. That's why I had the boiled eggs. Otherwise, if I didn't have the boiled eggs, I would have just had a protein drink because I knew I would have this. So good. So good. So I'll let you guys go. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, watch some shows before my husband comes home and before I gotta get up and clean. I'll see you guys later. Bye.